Hello my friends and welcome back to Blue Ridge Survival. So right now it is about 6 in the morning. As you can tell, it's still pretty dark out, and we are currently still at our house and we are preparing to go to the beach and do some fly fishing, some normal spin fishing, and hopefully catch a 75-pound red drum. And I've got my fishing rod. It's not really great for this. It's only like a 6-foot. But the place we're going, you really don't need to do surf fishing. It's more of like an inlet that you can fish in. So that's got 50-pound braid on it. And I'm going to get one of these rods over here set up so that we can have at least 2 sitting out there catching fish for us. So we've got everything loaded up in the van.
Are you sure about
for
that?
this
Sure
4.5-hour drive.
Sure
We've got our fishing stuff in here.
Four and a half.
Everything's ready. Alright, so today is day 1. Morning of day 1. We stayed at our grandma's house here last night. Today we're actually going to the beach and we're going to be doing fishing. Sorry if I sound stuffed up. As you can tell, I have allergies because this house is 200 years old and it is full of dust, so it is making me very sneezy. But that's what we're going to be doing. Hopefully these allergies will clear up when we get to the beach. And we're going to see if we can catch any big fish. Here's my camera, fishing rig. I've got my tripod, my phone holder, and then I've also got some mics, some clip-on mics, so I'll have good audio. Especially if I'm getting farther away from the camera, I don't want the audio to be bad. So I'm gonna take this to the beach and we should be good to go. We're getting some of these drop rig kind of things, surf fishing rigs. Now we just need to find some octopus hooks. Alright, I'm gonna get this Shimano. It's about $40, so it's a pretty kind of cheap rod, and then a bunch of terminal tackle. We are here now, but we're just trying to pay and get in. Alright, we are walking down this beach, this boardwalk right now. This is Kiawah Beach Walker Park. It's kind of rulesy, but hopefully we don't get caught by anybody. All right, y'all. We're gonna be fishing this inlet, and we're gonna see what we can catch. All right, my friends, we are fishing with a smaller weight than I would for surf fishing because there's no surf here, but we're seeing tons of shad jumping all over the place, which means there should be some kind of big predator fish chasing them up to the surface. So whether that's reds, bluefish, sharks, we're gonna find out. All right, we've got a nice big chunk of shrimp on here on this brand new rod, so we're gonna throw it out and see what hits it. There's so many bait fish out here that it's not even funny. Got 50-pound braid on here, so I'm not too worried about it coming out or anything. All right, guys, I'm gonna get another smaller rod set up with a spoon. If these are redfish, hopefully they'll think it's a bait fish and they'll decide they want to hurt it. All right, guys, I'm gonna use this big casting spoon and throw it out there and see what we can catch. Guys, I'm gonna pull this thing in and check if I've got anything on it. Nope, but something did take my bait, so to this rod guide. Put a fish bite on it. Those things seem to work so good. All right, that thing's casted back out. That's a good bite, so. Oh yeah, that's a fish. That's a fish. Yeah, I don't think I have anything on. But that was a bite, so I'm gonna take this thing in. You gotta look for where the wakes are, because they run across the shore. Get it? That was a huge bite. Holy mackerel.
Yes, got him.
Nope. He's off. Keep it nice and tight. This is slightly too zoomed out, but it's in order to catch everything. Oh, I have one. Oh, we have one. It's a tiny little whiting. Well, the first fish is a fish that would be the size of the fish that I would want to get a shark to eat, but there he goes.
He might have gotten hooked. Yeah, I think he got hooks.
Well, you're gonna have to use your pliers and unhook him. Yeah, both his front pinchers are gone. Well, you're gonna have to unhook him with your pliers. That is a humongous.
Just sitting still and letting me do it.
Yeah, we'll get it off. Yeah, there you go. Now pick him up from the back.
Oh, nope. He notices it.
All right, guys, I'm gonna check this thing. Oh, I'm getting bites. Alright guys, this phone is overheating unfortunately, so I'm going to have to be limited to showing if we catch fish. So, I've got 3 rods set up right now. This one, see what we can catch. Well, all the rods are getting bit a lot. The tide's a little bit lower, it's at the low. It's going to start coming back in. This rod is getting pulled very hard. I think there might be something on it. Check that in a second.
There's something heavy.
Oh my gosh, what the heck is that?
Is it a turtle? Shell, maybe? Oh. Well, okay. It's a net.
Oh, it's a net. It's a drag net.
Interesting.
Literally a landing net.
Well, that's a good catch. Little baby hermit crab. Not hermit crab. Some kind of strange crab.
What?
There you go.
Big fish. Huge, humongous, massive monster. That is actually a very nice, decent sized whiting. It's a real fish. It's an actual real fish from like an actual real place. Like real. Walk over to the water so that if it's a fish, you don't. What? They replaced it with a stick. They took the bait and replaced it with a stick. That's smart fish. Yo, there's a pelican. There's a dolphin coming.
Yeah.
Holy crap. That's crazy. Literally right there. That is so crazy. It's definitely a dolphin. Another one, guys. About 45 minutes later. All right, we are pretty much ready to go. So that was all the fish we caught. All right, guys, it's the morning of day 3. We're heading back. So yesterday was pretty decent. It wasn't very multi-species. We only caught whiting and really small ones. Last time we went, we had a lot better luck. We were getting really big whiting. So this time it wasn't quite as good, but we saw some dolphins. We found a really big crab. Went around Charleston, did some stuff. So it wasn't a bad trip, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time on Blue Ridge Survival.